our job is to make everything in this room related to the boilers work. So we got a water softener back over there. We got to make sure it's working right. We got the aerator with Chuck. We want to heat the water up to 212. We got to figure out the control panels and all the other electrical stuff here. Figure out what's going to go to the new boiler. The only way they would sell the boilers to us is if we bought them complete. So we're going to leave a lot of it here, and then when we get the new boilers, we'll figure out what gets taken off and what gets replaced, right?
Okay.
Alright, so we got 85 clearance to the top of this machine. We're about 5 inches over from our doorway. Texas style.
This is my buddy, man. You brought the boilers.
Rick from Toronto, Canada. Cross-border expedite. winter storm to Toronto and Buffalo. Normally it would have taken me 9 hours to get here directly, and it took me now probably 18 hours in total.
It was like 6 inches of snow in Buffalo. You had to go through Buffalo?
Yep, and it was the whole day snowing nonstop.
The whole siphon system wasn't piped right. So the water softener was never softening any water. Took this all apart, hooked it up correctly. It's just the tubes were never set up inside of here.
My name is Dave Schofield. I'm a unit manager with Charlotte Laboratories. We set up the chemical feed tanks and we verify that they do operate. So that's all set up and ready to go. We left a supply of chemical along with what we batched today. So we're set up to go and get these new boilers and keep them new.
Done.
Yes, sir.
With a team like this, that's what gets this job done.
Yeah.
So
They picked the right contractor.